Friends, welcome to Spoken English by Rumensan. Today I am going to start a new series of my spoken English. It's called Learning English is Fun. Fun and enjoyable. Definitely learning English is very enjoyable and interesting. You know that. If you can speak English or if you are able to speak, able মানে সক্ষম, you can speak or you are able to speak English very well or fluently, I think it's a big blessing for you. It's a huge, a blessing, আশীর্বাদ, boon, বর, that you can communicate with the world and you can know, learn and understand the world and the people of the world very easily and very well. So that's why I call it blessing. And let me tell you, actually being able to speak English, কথা বলতে সক্ষম হওয়া, is not being able to speak English. It's not difficult, not hard at all. At all মানে মোটেও কঠিন না কথা বল. Let me tell you, when you start in early, when you were a little baby, you started speaking your mother tongue. How? You followed your mother. Mother spoke whatever language. When mother spoke in whatever your mother tongue, by Bangla, then you started speaking Bengali after hearing or listening to your mother. So you understand, actually listening and first and foremost, সর্বপ্রথম step, first and foremost step to learn any language. You listen, you do the listening, a lot of listening, lot of YouTube here. Just you don't need to understand, বোঝার দরকার নেই, শুধু listening করো. Do a lot of listening. I'm telling you, this is the way you can. Listening প্রচুর করতে হবে, শুনতে হবে. And then what happen, you can do some reading if you can, just children's books, very easy language, easy children's stories or such kind of books. Children's basic level means 0 level, level 1, এরকম ইংলিশ স্টোরিজ বাচ্চাদের গল্প শুনতে হবে বা পড়তে হবে, তাহলেই দেখবে ইংলিশ শিখে দেবে. সো ইজি. থ্যাংক ইউ.